So hi guys, welcome to Content Solve, and today we're going to see this Yantralay camera light. So it's a RGB light. So let's go and unbox it. So I just got it from the Amazon. So let me open it. Check it. So you can see. So this is Ulanzi VL49RGB mini video LED light. So I'm just going to do unboxing of this one. So here we go. So we have the charging cable over here, and here we have the exact the device which we are looking for. So it's very portable, as I can say. It's very portable. So let us keep it aside and let us see what is there. The manual, I think they have given some manual also. That's a little bit small manual, and they have given all these things, how to control and everything. So let me keep the USB cable also aside. Okay, so here we have this lens, and we have three mount points here, over here, one over here, and one over here. And this one goes to the camera rig or tripod or anything on top of the camera or anything. You can just slide it down and you can just insert it. So as you can see, it is mentioned it has a color temperature of 2500K to 9000K, and number of LEDs 60 pieces, and light distance up to 5 meters, and battery working time 2 hours max output and 10 hours on low output, and the power is 6 watts, and brightness 8800 lumens. Okay, so this is how, and as you can see, it contains a 3.7 volts 2000 milliamp hour of lithium battery, and it's RGB control and portable, and 13 kinds of light effects it can give. So this is what mentioned on the box, and we can see how it is. I think they have mentioned there is some magnetic strip also on the back of it, so that we can just attach it to any of the iron surface. Okay, so we'll see that also. So this is how. So let us go and turn it on and see. So I just turned it on. So as you can see here, it is showing the brightness 897K, and up to 50% of the battery is there. Battery power also is showing, and you can see the settings. I can increase the lumens. It is, we can do up to 9000K, and now I'm going to decrease it. See, you just need to press and hold the button so that you can decrease the light sensitivity. See, this is how it looks. So let me put around some 6K so that I can get the yeah 6000K. Yeah, so now this is how. And what is this? So this is the menu button, I think, where we can set the brightness percentage. I can increase to 50%, 52, 53, 54, 55, all the way up to 100%. So let us keep it on 50%. So the settings are very simple, and I like this, and even the turn on button is also very good. And so let us go and check some other options. So next we have to turn on this Ulanzi light. Just need to press this power button so that it will turn on. So as you can see on the downside, it got turned on. If you want to change the mode, you just need to press and hold this function button for a long time. So if you click on here, see, it is showing fireworks. Okay, fireworks. There are some, you just need to select the scenes. TV. Okay, Sparty. You can see different types of lights. Next, HSI slow means the RGB colors will change slowly to one after another, and this is HSI fast. And this is RGB strobe. Next we have red flash. Next we have green flash. Next we have blue flash. This is the cop car. This is the ambulance. This is the fire engine. This is emergency. And again we got the fireworks. So around some 13 modes are there. Now let us check by check the magnet of this one. How does it sticks to the iron content? So I'm just placing it to my fridge. So just check it. So it is there like that. This is the first test. And previously when I just clicked on it, it used to slide a little bit. Now it is sticking good. Now I place the light on top of Buddha. So now I'm keeping it in front of the Buddha. So as you can see, we'll get multiple effects by doing the lights like this, and it depends upon you how much you can do that.